Hey guys, so I'm back with another Taylor Swift makeup video. We took a brief hiatus from it, but we're back and I'm going to make a little makeup thing from the Speak Now album. I love this album, everybody loves this album, it's perfect. I'm thinking maybe gold and purple because her name is in gold and her dress is purple. So I think that's the look I'm gonna go for. I bought some glitters today for my eyes. I have to pick them up at Ulta still, but hopefully will look good for Reputation and Lover. I'm excited about that. I love glitter. So for this one, I'm not quite sure what palette I'm gonna use. I was looking at Ulta's website and I was going to actually buy a purple palette for this video, but I was like, I don't wear makeup enough to make a new purchase. So I'm trying to find the right, honestly, Love Tons in the Wants palette looks pretty like that. It's like a pinky color, but this is also kind of like a pinkier purple, right? I don't know. We'll figure it out together. So I might use the Makeup Revolution palette, the Emily Edit. And then for the glitter, I guess we could use this color from the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. That's like the glitteriest palette I have. I'm still using a lot of the stuff that I used in the last videos. Basically the Golden State of Mind and the Emily Edit palette. I feel like I used those in like every other makeup video, but they're good palettes and I haven't bought a lot of makeup. I think this is the only makeup item I have bought this year, and this was in February, I think. Every time I get interested in something, I buy a lot of the things for it. Whether it's makeup or art or whatever else I become obsessed with for the moment, I end up buying a lot for it, and then I only like it for like a month, and then I move on to something else, and I waste all my money. So I'm trying not to do that with makeup. I'm going to start the same way as always with the Glam Glow Glow Starter in Nude Glow. Very beautiful. I didn't even check if I'm in focus. Good lord. Is that better or worse? Anyway, and I have a super dry T-zone and the rest of my face is oily. Do any of you consider this to be your favorite album from Taylor Swift? It's definitely not mine. Red is my favorite, my all-time favorite album by her. And then Lover is a close second. I really love that album. And then maybe after Lover would be this. Or maybe 1989 might actually be higher on my list than Speak Now. But it's still a really good album, and I love that she did it all herself. For foundation, I'm going to use a mix of Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse and Too Faced Born This Way, because they're like two different undertones. We're just going to mix it all together and see how it goes. And again, I'm not wetting this sponge, even though I think it does work better when you wet it. I'm not getting up. This looks so light. When we were in North Carolina, I actually got out of the house. Shocking, I went outside and I got such a tan. So I'm a lot tanner than I usually am. So this stuff definitely does not match my face. This is not blending into my face. So I'm actually going to wet it with this Rosewater Facial Mist. And hopefully that'll help. That looks like it's helping. So I'm going to go ahead and say that foundation is done. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour, the Pretty Vulgar Powder Blush in Prim Vixen, and Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminator in this nice pink color. Partially cream, partially powder products. We'll see how this goes. I've never used a mixture of both on my face before, so I don't know how this is going to go. I think my face a little tanner. Some on my nose and around my forehead. And some on my jaw. I don't know if that was too much, but it's fine. Now I'm going to do the highlight because this is powder. So I'm going to put some powder. I'll figure it out. I'm not good at thinking. So I'm going to put a stripe of that on there. And I wanted to use a pink highlight because we're going for like a purpley look, and I think that would be pretty in combination. I'm going to get a little bit of powder. This is the Wet n Wild Coverall powder. Just where I'm going to put blush. It's a nice pinky color. Cool. I like the way that looks. Benefit Gimme Brow in my brows. I went way too heavy-handed with that. Jeez, okay. It's fine. I feel like I just did my eyebrows and they already need to be redone. I never do my eyebrows just because I don't feel like it. But when I met the Jonas Brothers, I did my eyebrows and they already need to be redone. Ugh. Used some e.l.f. eyelid primer in sheer. So we're looking like this today. And let's get started on the eye makeup. Let me try to zoom you in a little bit for this. I'm going to go in with Love Tons first in my outer V thing. See if it's too pink. It's pretty pink. I don't know. But I can put some Family in it. Make it a little darker and more purple. Maybe Pi-Fi in there too. I feel like I'm just going to keep layering until I get the perfect purple that I'm looking for. I think that looks pretty good, and they actually look pretty even too, which is like pretty surprising. I'm proud of myself for that. I'm going to get another plain fluffy brush and kind of blend those outer corners. Okay, so we're working with this now. Top Story in this palette actually looks like it would look good too. Let me see. Is this too dark? I don't mind it. I can go over it with a lighter gold from the ColourPop palette. Redo some of this purple because now the gold's covering it a little bit. So this is what we're working with. I like it. It reminds me of Speak Now. Going into the Golden State of Mind palette. I'll actually show you the colors that I used in this palette. I used Love Tons and a little bit of Family, a little bit of Pi-Fi, and then in the inner corners-ish, I used Top Story. These look like pretty similar palettes actually. So now I'm going in with the ColourPop Golden State of Mind palette. Maybe this gold, because it's a nice light gold. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. Woo, look at that. Holy crap. That's actually like pinky, like a pinky orangey goldy color. Kind of shifts in the light. Interesting. Well, it doesn't look like Speak Now anymore, but it's a fun color. I'm gonna darken it up with a different color and see if that looks alright. There we go. So I covered it up a little bit. This is the first color I went with, and then I covered it with this one, and I think it looks better. Looks more like Speak Now than it did when it was 3 different colors. That is a beautiful color though, this one up here. It's really fun. Now we need a little inner corner color, and we're gonna go with this like white pink color. So, looks like that now. And then I guess we'll go back in with the Revolution palette and put a little bit of maybe Pi-Fi on the under eyes. And then in the inner corner I'm putting Cupcake, nice light pink color. I think from now on, when I do my inner corner, I need to use like a very precise brush instead of my giant finger, because it's not where I exactly would want it to be. So these are the eyes now. They're like 27 different colors. Kind of crazy. Should we attempt eyeliner? I just got this in a Walmart preview box, I think, and it's the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. We're gonna try it. Well, that ended up a lot thicker than I wanted it to be, but that's fine. Those definitely don't match. I think I fixed it. I'm gonna put that down. I think I might have actually like made them match. I think I might have. Before I do mascara, I'm going to put some setting spray on, and this is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Better Than Sex mascara. Oh, I guess I should put lower lash mascara on. For that, I'm going to use CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. There we go. And for the lips, she's wearing a red lip, but that's going to be way too much with this face. I'm going to use this Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and say that that's good enough. Yeah, this doesn't look like Speak Now at all to me, now that I'm looking at it. It looks like a little fairy princess, but it does not look like Speak Now. It's definitely pinkier than I wanted it to be. So this is the final look. Very sparkly, very pink. It's okay. I think it's still cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Did you miss these makeup videos? Do you like makeup videos? It's something a little different for me, and I think they're fun, so I enjoy them. I don't know. Especially because they're Taylor Swift themed for me. I love doing Taylor Swift videos. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want it, and I'll see you in my next video.